Hey guys, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm still in my dining room, as you can see. I'm coming on with some projects that I've made for KSCraft. These are projects from the September release. I requested all of the baking dies, so I made a bunch of projects using them, and I hope you enjoy them. I will show you the dies. I'll link them all down below in the description box. I'll take some measurements. If you have any questions, please let me know. They might be available on Amazon. I'm not sure, but you could go check out their KSCraft store on Amazon as well. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so the first die set I worked with are the 2024 Baking Shadow Words. And these are so pretty because I just love the handwriting font, and it looks like, you know, something you'd find in your grandma's cookbook. So let me just bring over my mat. I cut them all out. I haven't used them in projects yet, but I just want you to see what they look like. So this is what I mean by that pretty font. Isn't that nice? And I used white glitter paper for all of the words, and then either pink or aqua textured paper for the background, just because those are the colors I usually use. So I figured, you know, I'll have these on hand and they'll probably match with whatever I'm making. So that's fresh, as you can see. Let me take a quick measurement. This is my kitchen ruler. Let's see, this is about 2 inches from side to side, and then top to bottom it is about 1 5/8. So yes, so pretty, right? So fresh, and then we have baked and cookies, and they cut really well. There are no dots you have to save for the eye. It comes attached to the eye, so it makes it so easy. The little pieces pop out easily as well. Use a precision plate in your die cutting machine if you have one. That makes it easier. Then we have homemade, which that's not the longest. I'll measure the longest one too. And delicious, and ingredients, which is the longest one. So you could use these with the shadows or without, it's up to you. Let's see, okay, so the longest one is about 4.5 inches. And then top to bottom, it's about 1 inch, including the shadow. So I love the font, so pretty. Okay, so that's the 2024 Baking Shadow Words. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, okay, this is so cute. This is the Cookie Jar Mini Album. And what's great about this is not only does it come with the mini album dies, it comes with a mini cookie jar as well. So I thought that was so cute. So I made a card with the big set and just a little shaker with the smaller one. So let me show you the big set dies. So it comes with, okay, so this is the outer piece in the shape of the cookie jar. And then it comes with this stitched layering piece, like that, and then it comes with this inner piece too that has, it leaves an embossed line for like the bottom of the jar, and that's just a little bit smaller as well. And then it comes with the frame in case you want to make a shaker or just change up the paper or just make a frame for the bottom of your cookie jar. So that's really nice. I did make both of mine into shakers. So there's those, and then it comes with a lid layering piece. And not only that, it comes with a knob layering piece too, which leaves an embossed line around the knob. And then it comes with cookies, and these cookies cut out really nice. I'll show you. It leaves like the baked lines on the sides. So there's 2 of those, and then it comes with the chocolate chips or whatever kind of chips you want to make them. If you want to make, you know, those kind of cookies, just cut those out of brown or whatever and glue them on. And then it comes with everything the same for the smaller one, except there's just the 1 layer for the background. So because you would use the bigger layer if you're making a mini album. So this is not made to be a mini album, just a cute little decoration, but it does come with the lid, with the layering piece for the knob, 2 cookies, and 2 smaller, or not 2, smaller thing of chocolate chips. So let me show you the card that I made first out of the mini album die or die set, and it just looks so cute, I think. Like I told you guys, I had a flood in my craft room. Luckily, not much was damaged, but my carpet. So I have to get my carpet guy in to put new padding down. So telling you that because I don't have access to all of my crafting supplies, but I did bring up a few doodlebug collections, and I had some stuff from my haul on Friday, and that's basically what I used for these projects. And even so, I think they came out really, really cute. So, oh, I wanted to show you also this die here. This comes from this set, which is the Baking Garlands. And I'll show you that in a second, but let's get back to the card. So like I said, I made it into a shaker, and I used this Doodlebug gingerbread paper. That's from Gingerbread Kisses, I believe, in the background. And just coordinating papers for the frame. I used my Walmart foam board to pop it up to make it a shaker, and I used some clear acetate as well. This is a sticker from that same Doodlebug collection, puffy stickers from there. The oven mitts come from that Garland, and little heart stickers come from the Gingerbread Kisses collection as well. And aren't those cookies so cute? Those are the ones I was just showing you. And I did ink the edges with some Distress Oxide and Vintage Photo to make them look baked. And I popped them up on some tan 2mm foam just to make them look more like cookies. And then for the lid, I used that pretty glitter Doodlebug paper that I showed you guys on Friday. And I did darken the bottom of the jar and the bottom of the knob with just some cool shadow ink. And let me show you what I used. I've shown this in other videos, but it's a King Art alcohol marker. And this one is 178 Cool Shadow. And you could use any like light gray or, you know, just like a light color, just to darken the paper up a little bit so it looks like there's a shadow and gives it some depth. So let me measure this. For the layering piece, for the stitch piece, I used some of my favorite white glitter paper from Joann's, and I used some aqua paper called Turquoise Mist from Basil for the card base. And this is a nice big card, so it would be a great mini album. And it's just a little bit, not cut off here, but I did fold it at the top, so it's just a little bit shorter than it would be otherwise. But it's about 5 and, let's see, 5/8 top to bottom. Yeah, about that. And then side to side, it's just a little over 5 1/8. So really nice size. If you want to make it into a mini album, it'd be perfect to put your, you know, like a hole there and use a binder ring to close it. And it would make a great recipe book. Use those 2024 recipe words, baking words. And this is the inside. I just made it really simple. Use some more Doodlebug paper. And yeah, just made it into a really cute card, and I love how it came out. So let me show you the little shaker that I made too out of the smaller set, and look how cute that is. I did it pretty much the same way, made the smaller cookies. You can see the size difference, but super, super cute. I tied some pink and white twine around the top of this one, and I just cut apart a little, this was part of a cut apart of the 6x6 paper pad of Gingerbread Kisses, and I used some of that paper in the background because it's a smaller scale than the 12x12s. Added some shaker bits that I had, and yeah, this is a piece of ephemera from there as well. Let me measure this for you. Top to bottom, including that knob, it's about 2.5 inches. Side to side, it's about 2 1/8. So just a great set. I just love it, and it's so fun. You can make this for Christmas cookies, or just like I said, like a, you know, a cookbook or something like that. And I think it's really versatile, and I love making baking projects, as you guys know. So this, like I said, I used the baking garland set. Oven mitts was the only one I made so far, but I love it because it comes with the layering piece of the oven mitts that's stitched, and it just sits a little bit lower than the background piece, so it looks like a little piece of trim on your oven mitts. So that set comes with two dies for each. Hang on one sec. Okay, sorry, I just dropped my oven mitt one. So the oven mitt comes with the background piece, and then the layering piece, and these cut out individual little oven mitts that you glue on top of your background piece. That way you can change up the colors or patterns. It also comes with the cupcake with the icing. Comes with the cute little apron with the layering piece for that too, which is great because you would still be able to see the straps. So the straps would be a different color for the background than for the front. So that'll be really fun too. I couldn't decide which one to use for here, but I just went with the oven mitts. And then it also comes with the chef's hat too, which the top is a layering piece with stitching as well. I just love these. They're so cute. I love Hannah's garlands. So I'll link those down below as well, of course. All right, so let's just move this stuff over and we'll get to the next set. Okay, so this is the A2 baking frame, and it's called a baking frame, but I mean, you can use this for so many different things. So this cuts out, as the name implies, a perfect size frame for an A2 card. And it cuts out little hearts on the top, stitching all the way around. And then it has this layering piece that goes over it, and it leaves a little bit of the background showing, and that's stitched as well. And then it comes with all of these fun little dies to go with it. And I used some of them in my project, not all of them. So it comes with the phrase, "Baked with love." Oops. And the shadow to go with it, and a nice script. It comes with this great, like, 2D looking cooling rack for your cookies. And it comes with more cookies. It comes with this piece here that you would cut out of, like if you're making chocolate chip, cut this part out of tan. And then it comes with the background piece that you would cut out of a darker color. So the holes that pop out here will show through, or the background will show through, so it'll look like chocolate chips, or whatever kind of chips you want to make. Oops, drop that, get that later. Comes with the spatula that has a layering piece for the handle. I did use that. Comes with these super cute oven mitts. You could also use those as mittens and something else. And then it comes with this little timer too, which is so cute. And I think that's it. So I made a card. And again, I used Gingerbread Kisses, and look at how cute that frame is. So I cut the frame out of some plain white 65-pound paper, and look at the little hearts that it cuts out. I just think that's so cute with the stitching detail all the way around. And then the layering piece I cut out of some Doodlebug paper, and that's stitched as well, so it complements the background really nicely. And then Baked with Love, I cut out the words out of aqua and red paper and just offset them a little bit on the white shadow in the background. And then I used a piece of ephemera from Gingerbread Kisses, and then there's the spatula from the die set, and a few of the cookies also from the die set that I made. And excuse me, I put glue, white glue, and some clear sprinkles on top of, well, different things like the cookies, the rolling pin, the sprinkle jar, the batter, and a little bit on the gingerbread guys too. And I would have added some Lawn Fawn clear glaze to some things, but I don't know where that is right now, so I'll do that on another project. But isn't that the cutest card? And that's what the inside looks like. I added another piece of that cute baking frame, or what is that what it's called? It's called the, yeah, baking frame right there, and another one of the cookies. And it's just so sweet. I love this. So let me measure this. And the background, by the way, is A2. So you can see how this just fits perfectly on top of it and leaves a little bit of a frame around it. So let me measure it to show you how big it is. It's about 4 inches side to side, and then 5 1/4 top to bottom. So it leaves, what, 1/4 inch total on each side, or, you know, 1/8 on one side, 1/8 on this side, and so on. So very, very cute, I think. You can add all those different elements if you want to. Hannah has some examples on KSCraft on AliExpress, so you could see all of those. But I just wanted to use this piece of ephemera because it's so cute and it goes really well, I thought. So there's that project, and I have one more to show you today, and this is using the 3D crate box. So this is such a great die set, and it comes together really easily, and it's perfect for me right now because it makes a little crate, which I need because I don't have a lot of things to put things in while I'm in my dining room. And so this worked out perfectly. Let me just get this stuff out. Okay, sorry about that. I got a phone call, so I am back. But this is the bottom of the 3D crate box. So you cut out one of those. Here's a layering piece for that. And then these are the sides, or this is the side, and you would cut this out twice. See all the nice embossing and cutout detail it leaves, and a handle as well. This is the long side. You'll cut these out twice, and of course those are your glue tabs on the side. And then there are layering pieces for the side panels, so it would go just like that, and I'll show you in my example. So like I said, it is just such a nice little storage box. So this is what it looks like, nice and big, as you could see. So I constructed mine out of some basil paper, some pink paper, and then I layered that with some Doodlebug paper on top, so it's really nice and sturdy. This is actually double-sided paper, so you know those are nice and thick. but you could use, you can use one kind of paper, you can double it up like I did. You could even triple it up too if you wanted to put another layer on the inside, so it's up to you, but I thought 2 layers was fine, and it is super sturdy. So this is that new paper that I got. I said Doodlebug, but I think it is Lawn Fawn paper. Yeah, this is Lawn Fawn paper from Candy Cane Lane that I just got recently from scrapbook.com. And I use the peppermint side for the outside, and then the stripe side of it for the inside of my box. And then for the layering piece, I also use the stripe side. I use some puffy stickers from Doodlebug and some ephemera from Doodlebug on the sides like that. So really, really cute, right? Let me measure this for you. Okay, so from side to side, it is about 6 3/8, I would say. And then side to side, or the smaller side, is about 4 3/8, and then let's see, top to bottom, it is 2 1/2. So what a great size, right? So you could put memory decks cards in here. That's what Hannah had done in her video. You could, let's see, all right, this is a little bit too big. It would fit this way. Let's see, about an A2 card. It just fits there. Yeah, actually it fits pretty good there, right? And then, you could put some treats in here, tie it all up. It would be perfect for baked goods. And yeah, whatever you want, just make a whole bunch of them, use them for storage in your craft room. I love the little handles because it just looks so cute. You could pick it up like this. You could use it as part of your holiday display, like in your kitchen or something like that. Just customize it to your decor, or just, use it for gift wrap as a little gift box. I think that would be really, really fun. And I'm sure, you could decorate it like crazy if you want to, but I thought this was cute and simple, and I really liked it. So those are my projects for today. I hope you enjoyed them. I will link all of these dies down below in the description box. Of course, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.